We'll be examining the sounds. At this point, we're going to be taking some spelling variances, where letters, a letter or a combination of two letters come together to give us a particular sound. It should be noted that a letter does not dictate the sound it should have, but rather the sound tells us how a particular letter should be pronounced, because letter is to writing what sound is to speech. So we'll see examples, or I would explain what I just mentioned as we follow along as we take the first vowel sound, E. Can you try that? E. Again, E. Again, E. Examples of words with a long E sound is, we have the spelling variance EE coming together to give us the E sound, as found in wheel and indeed. A single E also gives us the long E sound in B, in E. AE gives us the E sound as found in aesthetic, aesthetic. EA is found in lean and in peace. EI is found in conceit and receive. IE is found in thief, in chief. EY is found in geezer, geezer. Key, key. UA is found in key. I is found in machine, machine. Vaseline, Vaseline. OE is found in people, people. OE is found in amoeba, amoeba. Phoenix, phoenix. So the word spelled amoeba is not amoeba but amoeba. Can you try that? Amoeba. Other examples are